What a nice story. And those moms should have a nice day tomorrow, right, Bob?
Yeah, it can get nasty, of course, this time of year. Easter Sundays can be nasty, Mother's Day. It is springtime, but we've got great weather for all the moms. You too, Dawn. Take a look. It's going to be a warm Mother's Day, though. Here are the highs today. We were just shy of 90 officially at DFW. It did reach that number in Waxahachie, 93 Waco, but the high numbers, boy, I tell you what, 98 in Abilene, and it was under our 33 logo here, 100 degrees in Wichita Falls. Even warmer than that in far west and southwest Texas, above 100. Now, in theory, this is a satellite and radar. You should see something, right? Cloud cover, at least. Nothing to show here, just bright sunshine across the entire area. Winds have been a little bit strong today out of the south, bringing up that warm air, and the southerly winds are going to stay with us for quite some time. Take a look at the wind, what we call this is the wind vector forecast. You see where the arrows are coming from. That means a southerly wind. Notice up across Oklahoma, you'll see an east and northeast wind, so there's a front sitting right here. Now, if this front would make it to the south, we would be talking about cooler weather, but watch the wind vectors or the arrows. Stay southerly here, and for the most part, if anything, that front moves back towards the north. So even Oklahoma is going to get pretty warm over the next couple of days. By the way, when you see this map, the longer and darker the arrows, the stronger the wind speed. So during the day tomorrow, you'll see the strongest winds just to the west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. 89 is our current temperature. Humidity is going to be a little bit higher over the next few days. So we will be talking about not so much of heat index values, but dew points will be in the 60s. So you'll feel the humidity just a bit. There's that southerly wind at 23 miles per hour, 89, 65 the high and low. Your averages is 81 and 60. 96 the record set back in 1918. It is going to be a pretty mild night. A lot of us will stay above 70 degrees, except the far outlying areas, just shy of a quarter moon out there. Just a sliver moon over the last couple of nights. Now, as far as the forecast, dry line. A lot of times you see that dry line, you get a little concerned about it, and areas far to the west and northwest tomorrow may have to watch this, because as it punches eastward, there may be one or two storms popping up in the afternoon, and they would become severe within 15 minutes. I don't think anything is going to happen here. The air aloft is way too warm, and no matter what happens over the next couple of days after that, we're not going to see anything but still warm weather with strong southerly winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. But there is that slight risk of severe weather, but not here, far to the northwest during the day tomorrow. And highs, how about the lower 90s? So, fair skies tonight, some low clouds by morning, lower 70s for tomorrow. Mostly sunny here. Any thunderstorms will be far to the northwest, 90 to 93. We'll get to about 93 for your Mother's Day, 73 in the morning. And we'll stay there, actually, the next several days. Looks like some warm weather, some cooler weather coming up, maybe some showers later in the week. Becky's got that forecast.